We are starting our new unit, which is titled Thermal Energy. So, the very first thing you need to do is our pre assessment. The link is in your notes. And for this activity, you do need to do the written responses as well. So, the multiple section, choice section and the written responses. So, the link is right here in your notes. So, pause the video, complete the pre assessment. Okay, next we have some anticipation guides. These are questions to get you thinking, and hopefully by the end of the unit, you will be able to answer these correctly. So, question 1 in our notes. Do you agree or disagree? Temperature is the measurement of how hot or cold something is. So, agree or disagree, and explain why. And here we would like you to use complete sentences. All right, the second anticipation question says when something heats up, it moves faster. When something cools down, it moves slower. Do you agree or disagree, and why? Again, use complete sentences. So pause and answer this anticipation question. Number 3, when something heats up, new energy is created. When something cools down, energy is destroyed. Do you agree or disagree with this, and why? Use complete sentences. Okay, the last of the anticipation guide questions. Number 4. Hotter things have more energy than colder things. Do you agree or disagree, and why? Use complete sentences. All right, question 5 is our unit question. Overall, during this whole time, what are we going to try to answer? We're going to try to answer the question, why do things change temperature? To help us understand this question, we will take on the role of student thermal scientists and work to solve a problem with the heating systems of a school. First, we're going to watch a video message that will help clarify your role and the heating system problem. As you watch the video, keep these guiding questions in mind. The questions: how are the heating systems similar and how are they different? What questions do you have about how the heating systems work? Which heating system do you think will warm the school more during the winter, and why? So keep these 3 questions in mind as we watch this quick video.
Tired of being cold? Sign our petition to make Riverdale fix the broken heating system.
Hey, want to sign our petition?
Sure.
Thanks.
Hey, Jesse, lunch is almost over. You ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
You got a lot more signatures today.
I can't believe this. It's actually 11 degrees Celsius in here.
Translation, please.
51.8 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's cold.
Yeah, it's the coldest indoor temperature reading this week. What? I've been collecting data.
Well, you can go tell the principal all about it because we finally have 100 signatures.
All right, let's go.
Hello, Riverdale students. Just a friendly reminder, this week's pep rally will be Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. on the football field. There's only 1 week left for this year's fall food drive, so let's make this one count. Kayla, Jesse, how can I help you?
Mr. Chang, I've been measuring the temperature inside every day, and it hasn't gone above 13 degrees Celsius. And today, it was only at 11 degrees Celsius. I think there's a serious problem with the heating system.
The problem is that it's broken. We have a petition signed by 100 kids at school saying that we need to get the heater fixed. We hope you'll take this matter seriously.
I can do better than that. How would the two of you like to help me pick out a new heating system?
For real?
We all know the heater's broken. You want to see the options?
Sure.
What we have here are 2 systems to heat the school, using water that is at a higher temperature than the air in the school.
That's interesting. I always thought heaters just use hot air and blew it around.
The first proposal uses a water heater that heats a small tank of water to 39 degrees Celsius every day. Then That warm water is pumped into a bunch of pipes that heat the school. In the evening, when the water cools down, it's pumped back into the tank and gets reheated for the next day.
That is so smart. This one's my favorite.
Well, wait to hear both of them. The second proposal uses a large reservoir of warm 30 degrees Celsius groundwater. Every morning, water from the reservoir gets pumped into the pipes that heat the school. Then, in the evening, the cool water is pumped out to make room for the warm water in the morning.
This one's really cool too.
I don't know. How could water from the ground be warm enough to heat our whole school?
Well, if the water is warmer than the air temperature.
I guess, but I don't even see how the heat from the water could get into the air for either system. Water and air are separate things. How would the heat go between them?
That's a good question. Maybe. Actually, I don't know either.
Thank you for your help. I'll email you the plan so that you can take a closer look. I love hearing input from students, but lunch is over. Time for class.
But we'd love to help more. Maybe me and Kayla could go research heaters in the library.
Nice try. Off to class.
Jesse, I have a chem lab next period. You know I can never miss a lab.
I know. I was just joking.
All right, so after watching that video, think about these 3 questions and discuss them with a partner.